Good morning, everyone, and happy Friday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. This morning we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and the morning's biggest gainers and losers. If you're interested in hearing on how Elon Musk plans to secure funding for the Twitter acquisition, make sure you head over and watch Fabio's aftermarket recap exclusively on TipRanks TV. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are in the red this morning after some hawkish comments from Fed Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell after he said he was in support of raising interest rates faster to cool off inflation. Currently, Dow futures are down 0.2%, S&P 500 futures down 0.18%, and NASDAQ futures down 0.11%. General Motors has struck a deal with MP Materials to source alloys and magnets used in the manufacturing of their electric vehicles. MP Materials is one of the largest producers of rare earth materials that are used to power the traction motors found in EVs, robotics, wind turbines, drones, and other advanced motion technologies. Beginning in late 2023, MP will supply U.S.-sourced RE Materials alloys and finished magnets for several GM EV models in a phased manner. Analysts rate the GM stock a strong buy with an average upside of over 71%, while the MP stock is also rated a strong buy with an average upside of over 17%. Sales and marketing platform ON24 have acquired cloud video software company Vimeo. Vimeo empowers businesses to create and edit professional videos without the need for prior expertise. The integration of Vimeo with ON24 will enable customers to engage audiences in new ways while also delivering personalized experiences. The financial terms of the deal have remained undisclosed. The ON24 stock is currently rated a moderate buy with an average upside of 35%. And Accenture has acquired Argentina-based Ergo, a data-driven business that helps companies make big decisions based on analytics, data, and artificial intelligence. Ergo's team will become a part of Accenture Cloud First's data and AI team. Joining this team will enable them to scale their data-led experience for major worldwide clients to achieve better business outcomes faster, from improving how they work, how they serve customers, and how they differentiate through new products and services. The strategic move bolsters Accenture's ability to help clients achieve data-driven transformation in the Hispanic South American market, which includes Argentina, Chile, and Colombia. The Accenture stock is currently rated a moderate buy with an average upside of nearly 25%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. In the pre-market this morning, we'll be hearing from Schlumberger, Cleveland Cliffs, and Verizon Communications. And last night we heard from Snap. Their stock went on a bit of a roller coaster ride after they came up short on earnings. They reported a net loss of 22 cents per share compared to the estimates of 17 cents per share. Revenue of $1.06 billion was mostly in line with expectations. On the positive side, their daily active users jumped 18% year over year to 332 million compared to the expectations of 331 million. Their stock is currently rated a strong buy with an average upside of 77%. We also heard from the Boston Beer Company, who came in well below analyst expectations. They reported a first quarter loss of 16 cents per share. That's down from a $5.26 profit in the same period last year and well below the consensus estimates of $2.04. Revenue came in at $430 million versus the $445 million expected. Their stock is currently rated a moderate buy with an average upside of 47%. And coming in ahead of analyst expectations, just this morning we heard from American Express. They reported earnings of $2.73 per share compared to the estimates of $2.43. Revenue came in at $11.7 billion, just surpassing the expectations of $11.6 billion. Revenue grew 29.5% on a year-over-year basis. Analysts currently rate their stock a moderate buy with an average upside of over 6%. Now let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by SVB Financial after they issued their quarterly earnings report where they exceeded earnings per share expectations by a whole $2.34. Under the ticker SIVB, the stock is currently up 9.3%. They're followed by UFP Industries under the ticker UFPI. Their stock is up 7.6% following their first quarter results. And Cleveland Cliffs under the ticker CLF, they're up 5.8% after just releasing their earnings this morning. Our biggest losers this morning are led by The Gap after it was announced that the CEO of their Old Navy department would be leaving and they cut sales guidance. Under the ticker GPS, the stock is down 16%. They're followed by the Autoliv stock under the ticker ALV. They're down about 10% after a big profit miss and lowered outlook. And Globus Medical under the ticker GMED down 6.8% after their CEO resigned. So that is going to be everything for Friday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you say good morning in the comments over at TipRanks TV. I always appreciate hearing from you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you back here next time.